Kim, Phil, the mothers of these two teens that were involved called for Metz to be sent to jail, but the judge said that Metz doesn't have a previous criminal history that would equate to significant time in the Department of Corrections. So the district attorney says on behalf of the family that closure is always difficult at the end of a criminal case. Both the mothers of the victim and the victim's friend spoke to the judge today. They told him that every day has been a challenge for their families. Jack Howard, the now 19-year-old victim who was shot in the face, stood beside his mom in court. She got emotional explaining the damage Metz has caused. Metz says he thinks of the victims and their healing every day.
Our families have endured sleepless nights, fear, anger, and the constant replaying of what if. We have had to comfort our boys through panic and rebuild their sense of safety. Something he shattered in seconds.
I cannot begin to understand the fear, pain, and trauma that you experience as a result of what happened that day. I know that an apology cannot erase what occurred or undo the impact it has had on your lives.
The defense did file a motion for a new trial. The prosecution will have until the end of the week to respond to that, and then the defense will have an additional 7 days after that to respond to that. Despite this sentencing, the defense does say that they will go forward with that motion for a new trial. Live in Jefferson County, Janelle Finch, 9 News.
Will be tough on young men, teenagers who, 2 years ago had their lives changed forever.
Yeah, absolutely. And based on how the mother spoke today, it's clear that it wasn't just the two of them that really experienced something so traumatic on that day. It really had a ripple effect through their whole families, and they really wanted to convey that to the judge. But again, we do know that Metz will be on a 4-year probation with community service.
Thank you, Janelle.